What is up, my family? What is good in the hood, boy? Thanks for coming on out. Please do me a favor and throw those likes in. Subscribe to the channel. Do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Man, we made it back in, man. We made it back, and we got the fucking targets that we were looking for, right? Let's fucking throw those A's in the chat right away so that I know that you're hearing me, man. Throw those A's in the chat right away, team. What is good? What is good? What is good? Let me get that fucking chart up, man. Let's do this thing. Woo! Let's go! Oh my goodness, man! Guys, I can't even tell you how excited I was to see the price action realized just like the way we were talking about, right? You guys saw it. You guys saw it posted inside of that fucking Twitter X, man. We got it. We rolled it through, boy. Let's go, man. Let me know in the chat if you actually got to benefit from that upside with your boy Arca. Man, let's go. Oh, dude. Looking at the weird signals, looking at the things that don't usually rhyme, right? We were able to determine a potential upside on some crazy ass shit, and we got it. We got it, man. Let's go. Oh my goodness, man. It got a little weird over there, man. I gotta say, Roaring, I'm definitely showing screen on this side, buddy. Maybe a reboot. Reboot. What is up, guys? Keep on throwing them in there, man. I see you coming in. Make sure to hit that like button as you're coming in, right? I want to make sure that we can get the whole house full up in here, man, so we can get some price action potentials into the coming days, man. I'm super excited, guys. We nailed almost every, I think, guys, I don't know if we maybe got one miss or something, but almost every single individual play we got was nailed to the upside, guys. I ended up with a 135% gain myself. I know some of the team ended up here with plus 200s there, here and there. But I gotta say, man, it was massively successful. I'm eternally thankful for the new members coming in. Remember one thing. We still have, let me see here. Doug TV was our sponsor yesterday, right? For 5 new members into the Arca Bulls trading team. My bro still has 3 more people to go today. Let's go! That means that you have a chance to win a free month into the Arca Bulls trading team. Let's fucking go. This is gonna be a good thing, guys. It's gonna be a good thing. What's up, Steven? Good to see you in there. What's up, John Ross? My bro Ian Tucker helping me out. And look at Mark Roach saying 11.1 thousand subscribers. Congratulations, Arca. 100K. Here we fucking come. That's right. Arca Bulls on the way to that fucking 100K. I will say that we spent the better part of 7 days at 10K. So we got 1.1 thousand subscribers over the span of about a week. Let's fucking go. That means that we're doing something right. Right? And if we're not being consistent, and if we're not being diligent, and if we're not being disciplined, then what the hell are we doing here, right? Guys, know for a fact I'm getting these questions all the time. I'm gonna answer them for you right now, though. Right? Very serious moment here. People are asking me if I have an alert system. Guys, I do not. I don't believe in alerts because I don't believe in pre-front running your play. So if you're going to join the Arca Bulls trading system, right? Join that system, join that team, and watch the trades happen live. I'm never going to tell you, yo, this stock is going up through an alert system. No way. I'm in, you're in. Fucking goes or it doesn't. We do it together. I'm not gonna allow the team to run that price up so I can take the profit on you. Fuck no. That ain't the way things are done here, man. We're gonna trade that shit in private, and then we're gonna make sure to meet those targets together. No front runs. No fucking, none of that fuckery. All right, guys, so hopefully that can resonate here. I'm not the biggest fan of alert systems, guys. I'm really not. You know what? Because that kind of defies me as a. I don't want it to show that that's what I'm capable of as a trader. I'm not going to be limited to that. Hell no. Because guys, whether I was giving you the targets or not, I'll be trading that shit alone in the silent, right? I'll be trading it in silence and we'll still have that edge. So despite the fact that we'll do it live, despite the fact that we'll do it alone, I'm here to show you guys consistency. And I want to make sure that you guys are here with me to experience that shit together. If you were observing the price action or the video from last night's live, right? Absolutely good stuff, guys, because I will say that you definitely got, sorry guys, if you heard that extra noise, that was me, my bad. I'm gonna flip you over to this screen here. This is the post that we just put up. This is the post that we just put up on Twitter X, where I said AMC GME XRT, the correlation, this is 12 hours ago, right? This is today. The correlation between the three, we noticed the upside through XRT, and guess what? Right? XRT's potential Friday close. This is where we were. And I was telling you guys that we could see a floor of around 73.18, that this could very likely be the floor. And guess what happened to XRT? Right? And then take a look at your plays here, boy. Take a look at the massive wolf formation that we've been talking about for the last 2 weeks or week and a half on AMC. Today, we realized that topside target of 554 that we've been talking about from our entry at 433. Check to see where it went lower. Check to see how low it went beyond 433. You'll see that it didn't go any lower than 433. So we bottom ticked it and top ticked it, guys. Congratulations to those of you who ended up picking up position on AMC. I love it. I absolutely love it. But it was a tough play. It wasn't something that was easy. It did require a lot of attention, guys, and here is your GME play. This was today, guys. Bottom side of around 2385, 2387, all the way up to our take profit targets and released. Guys, this was absolutely amazing. I don't know how else to put it. I just have a different way of looking at the markets, and I want to be as I guess I just want to show you that we can look at the markets based on data as well. Behavioral anomalies. We can look at consistent or repeating fractals, iterations, right? We can look at it through a mathematical perspective and definitely gain an edge in that way. That's not to put down any other fashion of trading. It's not like that. I am just here to display to you a different way of trading, guys, and I will be honest with you that this method of trading that I have here is quite literally an institutional way. Because I am able to trade, or I am able to execute algorithmically, systematically. And the way that I'm portraying it to you is manually, so that I can just show you outside of a computer program how it is in physical form. So it's gonna be sometimes, right? It's gonna be a little tough because I'm gonna have to show you things like the Skittles chart. I named it the Skittles chart so that I can show you guys, or so that I can get some type of interest on it, right? This is your bi-weekly time frame, whatever that was. We did the Jolly Ranchers and the Skittles chart. The reason I named it that, guys, was for a psychological purpose. I wanted you guys to be like, what the hell is Arca talking about, Jolly Ranchers and GME or AMC? It has nothing to do with the candy company, and it has nothing to do with the stock at all. It has everything to do for me to pull your attention so that I can show you the mathematical probabilities based on a huge back test, so that I can get your attention. And this is how I have to get clever here, guys. I have to use marketing in order for me to show you the boring data. So I'm going to put interesting colors in the background so you can follow me, and so that I can show you what the probabilities are for upside or downside or whatever it is. So know one thing from me, and you have my promise. I will never give you an upside when there's a downside, and I will never give you a downside when there's an upside. I'm not a perfect trader, so I may call it wrong here and there. But what I want to show you is consistency and discipline. And if I can do that for you, then maybe we have a good thing coming in here. Right? I freaking love it, you guys. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming on by. Please do me a favor and violate that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get this thing to grow bigger and bigger and bigger so that we can get further and further into the retail side, right? I want retail to come into the Arca Bulls trading team and see, right? And just see this perspective of trading, because I can display to you guys, like I said again, I can display to you a more institutional approach, a data-driven approach, right? Because those are their algorithms. You say it all the time. The algos, the algos, the algos. So if we're talking about the algos and complaining about the algos, then why don't we learn the algos? Why don't we find the factor or the criteria based on those exact strategies? And when we do break them down, why don't we create something to combat them? Well, that's what I'm doing here. And that's why I'm here. So it may be a little bit boring, right? It may be on the boring side of things, because we usually want to talk about the FTDs. And we usually want to talk about the clearing times, right? The closing times. I get it. I know. But I'm not here for that. I'm here to show you the way they're trading it and what we're being displayed to complain about. So they're under the roof or under the hood, better said. Whatever that under the hood is what I'm here to display to you. So let's look at this in a different manner. And guys, you are probably going to get exposed to a different world. And I will say right now that the bug is going to bite, and it's going to bite real big. But Omar, my bro, thank you so much, my brother. That now marks four members, guys. We're going to choose 4 lucky winners today to win a chance for a free month into the Arca Bulls trading team. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it so much. So let me just go ahead and jot down the, I'm going to go ahead and jot down here the sponsors for today. Right? So that's going to be Omar. And of course we have, that was yesterday, Doug TV. Omar has sponsored, guys, 1 person to join in. I absolutely love it, man. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that so much. Every single donation that comes in, we usually try to do that, right? We try to give it right back to the community, make sure that we can get a new member into the Arca Bulls trading team so they can see how it is we trade. We're going to start the analysis up in here, team. We're already looking at above 60 likes. I love it, guys. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for interacting with the channel. This definitely gives us an edge, right? And absolutely late coming on today, and still over 120 people, over 130 people. That's amazing, guys. Thank you so much for coming on by. We're going to get this analysis started here just after I write these notes down, right? So Omar sponsoring 1 person to join, and you're going to be randomly selected today. And we have also Doug TV from yesterday, still with 3 people. So that means a total, guys. Nice, man. A total of 4 people will join today. I love it, man. I love it. Let's fucking go, bro. So ECAT, what is up, guys? I didn't say hello to you, right? Carlos, good to see you there. Alex, what is up, man? Jordan, good to see you guys. Great, man. I see you in there. Ian Tucker, my bro. I see you guys, man. Thank you so much for coming on by. Garrett, I see you in there too, buddy. Oh, man. All right, so let's go ahead. Yes. No. It's okay, Alex. You're good. We're about to start the TA now, right? I was just asking everybody to make sure to hit that like button so that we can make sure to get this thing over 100 every single time. T-Maker, my bro. Jordan, dude, you guys, that's really incredible, man. Dude, thank you guys so much for sponsoring yourselves like that. Jordan, are you a member? And T-Maker, I know you're a member, all right? So, yes, you're going to be the sponsor for 1. That is amazing, man. Thank you. And now Jordan is sponsoring 5 people to join the Arca Bulls trading team for a free month. I love it, man. Thank you so much. Jordan, are you a member of the Arca Bulls trading team? I would like to know, my brother, because that kind of dono, bro. Come on, man. Come on, my brother. That is absolutely amazing, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, he is. That is absolutely incredible, guys. So I will say this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? We have 9 people that are going to potentially get this thing today. Wow, bro. That is 100% amazing. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate that. 5 people sponsor, bro. Jeez Louise, man. That's absolutely amazing, guys. Thank you. Ian Tucker, my brother. That now marks 10 people, guys, that we're going to be able to get into the team for free. That's fucking sick, man. That's really cool. That's really cool, man. Thank you, guys. So just like every day, guys, we've been inviting new people into the Arca Bulls trading team. And I will say that today was one of them. Actually, this whole week, really, the whole 2 weeks, really, we've been with an absolutely stellar batting average. Right? Look at JP saying Arca nailed today in the Discord. Damn, brother, that's just because you haven't been there in the last few days, in the last few weeks, man. But yeah, we've had a very, very high strike rate in the trading team today, man. And I will say a lot of people were able to just pay off their probably years of the membership just with the trades that we did today. Some people emailed me saying, brother, I was able to make the Lifeline team in one trade with you today. Danny Gonzalez, thank you, bro. Oh man, so Axel, Alex, we do both. We do both. So today I traded MAXN shares, and I definitely did some other options plays too. And also, I am SOUN, right? This is another shares play too. We're doing both, brother. But guys, I appreciate you for coming on out. We're going to start the analysis here. Now that we're getting the room really full, let's go ahead and get this shit rolling, right? But thank you so much, guys, for all of this. Thank you, sponsors, so much. We're going to be able to get 10 people up in this thing. Sorry, that's actually 11 people. Nice, man. Damn. Let's go, bro. 11 people will win today. I need money. You better chill in here, bro. Oh, dude, Jordan, bro, what? Dude, are you inside of the trading team right now? Where are you? What's your username? Bro, thank you so much. Dude, guys, I don't expect that, by the way. Thank you so much, bro. And a tip for you to take for yourself for the elite plays and after hours parties. Bro, thank you so much, man. That means a great deal to me, dude. I don't even know what to say, bro. Thank you. That's really cool, brother. Thank you so much. Damn, bro. Let's fucking go. Jordan, can you mention me? Mention me, bro. You dead ass have a freaking lifeline now, bro. Mention me in the voice, in the stage. That's really amazing, brother. Thank you so much. Bro, I'm not joking, by the way. Mention me wherever you are, right? And that's Omar. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for that, bro. Alex. I know, bro. I know. Where are you, buddy? Yeah, mention me in the stage, but I want to make sure that I can give you a lifeline because you dead ass got it, man. Holy shit, bro. Thank you so much. So whenever you can, the Arca Lounge or wherever, just come on by. And I'm going to give you your lifeline, buddy. Thank you, dude. I don't even know how many times I can actually say it without fucking burning it, you know? But that's really cool of you, bro. So let's go ahead and get this thing rolling, guys. Let me come back in here to the stage and make sure that you haven't already mentioned me, right? Jordan, bro. There you are. You're unarmed. I got you. I got you, dude. Welcome to the lifeline, buddy. That was really amazing of you, dude. Thank you so much. I got you, man. I just saw you come in. Bro, let's go. Guys, man, look at all the love you're getting, bro, for that. Dude, thank you, brother. Jordan just said in the trading team that I deserve it, guys. Thank you so much. Let's do it, man. Okay, guys, let's fucking get this thing to roll. Let's find out what price action could be doing for AMC and GME. By the way, guys, I will, on a side note here, because I know that you're usually here to see what the price action can reflect for AMC and GME, right? And it's all good. It's all good. But I gotta tell you, I gotta tell you, just a quick play that I just put up for the trading team. I'm gonna share this one live because I do have high conviction on this, and I definitely know that this is around $30 billion, so I can't actually move the market, right? But I will tell you this: Carvana is probably set to make a move into 180 to 200 bucks, okay? And I'm expecting a resistance tomorrow at around 125, 124 to 125 pullback. This area here is your bi-weekly gap, 117.51 to 116.37. Guys, I'm letting you in on something that I don't usually do in public like this, okay? So, because I love you, and thank you so much. So let's go ahead and go onto that screen. Here we go. There we go. So this is the resistance on Carvana, right? 125.63, 124.28. Wait for the pullback though. Let this thing fall into the areas of about 116 to 117. This could be your bi-weekly gap right down here. Let me show you why, right? Here's your bi-weekly time frame. Now, if we zoom out, this in here, right here, that's where I believe price action is coming down to tomorrow. And I think, of course, this is going to zigzag. There's going to be ups and downs everywhere. But I think Carvana is getting ready to make a move over the next 2 to 3 weeks into the range of around 160 to 185, maybe 3 to 4 weeks beyond $200. So I'm letting you in on something here, guys, okay? I'm just going to, before we get into AMC, right? I just wanted to share that with you as a massive thank you for the public for coming on by so late in the night, right? And showing the appreciation and love. So I'm going to throw out a massive play, the biggest play, one of the biggest plays that we're going over, right? Because you guys already knew about our play on Tesla. We've already been talking about this $250 to $280 from 180. So this could be the second largest play that we are about to embark on. So guys, thank you so much for being you. Thank you so much for showing the support for the Arca Bulls trading team. And I promise you, I will not fail you. And I will continue pushing as long as you are here to support the team. Let's get this thing rolling, right? Let's get this thing fucking moving, man. I love it, team. I fucking love it, man. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get this thing to roll. All right, let's go to AMC. And let's see what's up. Let's come back into the smaller screen here, right? And take a look at that play. Just a sec. Here it is. All right, let's flip the screen one more time. And now let's just go over the facts here, right? Gonna get the tunes a little lower here so that we can hear the voice. Fuck yeah, man. Jason, I know, bro. It's so late at night and over 140 people, 150 now. That's cool. That's fucking amazing, man. I can't be, gotta be super thankful here. Right? So, we were able to notice that we got the wolf pattern realized, right? Wolf pattern, bottom side 433, top end of this based on the fourth wave, 1 to 4 wave, signaling a topside target of 554. It's been a 2 to 3 week play that we nailed, guys. This is good. Okay, so that top side here led to a potential 32% move if you held it. If you're using options, that could have been 1,000% or some crazy ass shit. Okay, now that we know that this play is over, we can retire this play, right? We got this down. We have to now observe the potentials for what's next. So let's go ahead and bring up that probability now. Let's take a look at this because, guys, I will say, man, that if we are nailing the targets just as consistent as we have been for weeks on weeks, then maybe we're onto something okay. And we're going to have to use XRT as the source to give us the potential strength for GME's move, which is then going to play into AMC based on its sympathy, right? So that's the trail, right? That's the trail that we were able to follow, and we were able to nail the upside today on all three tickers based on that relationship. Over the last 91 days, the XRT ticker versus GME has started to show a correlation. And with that correlation, we ran a correlation coefficient, right? We wanted to understand how that relationship was working out between XRT, the S&P 500 retail ETF, and GME, because they were inverse for a while. And we noticed that, right? A lot of people were already under the impression that XRT and GME were inverse, except that we didn't backtest that over the last 89 to 90 days. So we got that. Okay, so very cool. Now, Alex is saying, I saw your stream last night and I wasn't able to make it, so I watched it today. What days do you usually late night stream? Late night? Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday. Actually, well, that would be a private stream on Tuesday, late night on Mondays because of the master students. We have lectures on Monday, 6:30 p.m. Pacific. So I'll usually come in just a couple hours later. But other than that, the other days I'll try to stream around 6 p.m. Pacific. So that'll be 9 p.m. Eastern, right around there. But anyway, team. So we got a gnarly pullback on this, and I will say that the XRT pulling back the way that it did is indicative of closing the gap that it got right from the daily time frame. So let's look at that now. XRT, right from our floor, we were looking at a floor down here. We got the pump to the upside. This asset opened today at 69.41 after a Friday close right down here at around 73.45. So it's not that volatile, but it does show upside. Okay, so it moved further to the upside to the $70.65 range before pulling all the way back. Okay, now that we know these facts, let's go ahead and pull this into a more granular outlook. Let's go to the hourly time frame and see what's up, right? Okay, your hourly time frame is showing some expansion, but it's contracting at the present moment. That means that we're potentially going to consolidate with a little bit of downside in the immediate short term. What we're going to do here is we're going to puzzle piece this together from the short term. Now that we saw the larger term, right? Now that we know what that behavior is, that's cool. We're going to use the immediate short-term time frame and build the blocks here. We're going to be building the puzzle piece by piece to determine the price action for tomorrow on XRT. Should take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so let's get really granular here. 5-minute time frame. Stochastic momentum is giving us a slight upside probability. It's already getting curvature, so we may be near a floor. That means we're near a support. Okay, 10-minute time frame also giving us the downside continuation, but notice volatility. It's not expanding. That means that we're pensive about this, right? In the immediate short. Now, the 15-minute time frame is getting an upside tick of volatility. Moving average is about to show an upside here. The direction that you're paying attention to is on your stochastic momentum indicator. Notice let me get rid of all the lines. Notice stochastics. Downside pivot. This expansion phase plus a downside pivot means that we're accelerating towards the downside. Volatility is direction neutral. Volatility is just telling you the disbursement of returns, the rate, the transaction frequency, meaning short and long, whoever it is that's participating. So if we have a lot of action, we're going to get expansion. If people are stopping shorting and stopping buying, stopping everything in general, we're going to get high contraction, right? So you can understand the concept to its very bare root. Okay, so anytime that we drop into the contractive level and we go up towards this 50%, you can consider that a mean reversion. Now, the mean reversion is something that we have to determine. Where is that mean and where is it in relation to the downside suggestion that the 15-minute time frame is giving us? Well, I have a tool for that. I already scripted one for that. And it's actually available for fucking everybody who's a team member in the Arca Bulls team, right? It's called Reversion Variant V2. So this here is actually telling us that we would break down to the second standard deviation, which would be 73. It would be, let me get rid of this. Hold on. It would be 73.64. Now that just happens to be today's low, right? So this 73.64 would then experience a bounce for us to get up to the areas of 73.79, right? We're reverting to the downside here. We would likely bounce from this area and then get ourselves to the 73.79. This, when you observe this indicator live, It actually is active, so the numbers move while the trade is happening, right? So it expands and contracts in real time. Okay, and again, guys, this is available to you. It's actually in the Arca, let me see, ABT Scripts channel inside of the Discord. So just go in there, and it's all yours, open source. You can do whatever you want with it. All right, so let's go ahead and now determine this. Now that we have an algorithmic reason for price action to pull back, let's look for a psychological reason to pull back. And I see one already, right? And in fact, I don't like this formation really all that much. It is an inverted cup and handle, right? The inverted cup and handle, you know, it would be a bearish formation. How do you know the price objective on this? Well, simply by taking the highest end of the cup to the very top of the cup, right? So get that suggestion like this, or the price objective. Trend line draws, you apply this to your handle, and you're looking at a bottom side. Hold on. Let me get rid of that sign here. You're looking at a bottom side of about 73.44. So in other words, it's testing the Friday open. So if that's the case, guys, it's near the Friday open here. Yeah, if that's the case, we could be finding a new support. And that's also suggesting that we would close the gap on the daily. Here it is. That's the line that we're looking at. It's suggesting that we would close this gap. We already know that 80% of the gaps in the market get filled. So there you go. It's very simple. So there could be a pullback on GME and AMC. Now let's look at its behavior though. How does this move? Daily ATR moves about $1.06. So this could pull back here if it opened. Let's just say that we open tomorrow 73.69, right? 73.69 open. We have the probabilities of dropping a whole $1.06, but I have a feeling that price action will stop for two reasons. First of all, because of the gap that we're closing, and because of this daily gap here. There's a second reason for us to stop price, but we have to zoom in order for us to look at these tiny things that no one is really willing to look for, right? Because if you're looking at price like this and we just get all the drawings out of the way, right? You're looking at your candles like this. How are you ever going to tell that there's a gap there, right? But it's okay. I got you, right? I got you. I look at those tiny things because I'm freaking crazy like that, right? So we noticed a gap. That's likely your bottom side. And also, if we notice the immediate short-term play, the 15-minute or 10-minute inverted cup, well, here's the line, right? Here's the line that we just drew at the gap. That's telling you that we would fulfill about 90% of the gap. Or 90% to the take profit of your inverted cup and handle. That's fair enough. That doesn't mean that we can't go lower. It just means that this is typically where people are going to start looking for entry. Because if you're short, this is your take profit. Because how do I know that? Well, I am a short bias trader, so I can tell you that. That's where you benefit from. Because fuck the markets for what they've been doing to the little guy. Right? Fuck them. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure to display the short thesis here over and fucking over, so you know how it's played the opposite way. So I'm literally gonna give you the playbook from the Bears, and you'll benefit from it. So let's go, right? Patricia, oh my goodness, thank you so much. Patricia saying, I have been a member since May, and I love it. Oh man, thank you so much. My goodness, man, sponsors left and right. So Patricia, you are a sponsor for a new person to join the Arca Bulls trading team. And that marks off 12 people today. Guys, we may actually have to split it into two. But that's incredible. Now we have 12 total. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So let's continue the analysis here and see what's up. Wait for this, okay? There's likely an upside first. Okay, we're probably going to face it. This is an inverted hammer, right? So that usually signals an upside. 50% pullback is what we're looking for, but let's look at the daily for that. Okay? So it's not just downside. This is your daily candle close. This is how we practice it, okay? Get the measurement of that daily time frame, right? Whatever it may be. Let me see. Yeah, okay, I'm right at the money. The 50% pullback is quite literally the open of this daily candle. So that means that there is a probability here that we reach back to this range. We have an upside first. Sorry, it actually may be, it may be second, and I'll explain to you why second. Okay, so this is the range here. To the 50% pullback, it would be just shy of it. So we're gonna write the receipts down here, right? This is gonna tell us what GME and AMC potentially do. Right? So we gotta be creative in the markets, guys. If we're not imaginative, then you have somebody else solving a puzzle that you may have been able to solve yourself. Now, Alex is saying, I made this 2 minutes edited Godzilla movie scene about GME and hedge funds. Is there a way I can show it to you? My brother, of course. Make sure to send me a DM on Twitter X or on Discord if you're already a member. I would love to see it, bro. Let me see it. And let's see. My wife, your wife, Stephen Page is saying my wife and your wife's boyfriend will be happy with this. Your wife's boyfriend? Don't tell me you're paying the internet bill, brother. All right. Is that, dude, I hope I'm reading that shit wrong, but did you actually say? He said my wife's boyfriend. He's gonna be thrilled with this shit, bro. Don't pay the internet bill. I love you, man. That shit was funny as hell, man. All right. Anyway, man. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna tell you why second. Okay. So here's the second reason why I'm thinking that we go down first and then the upside to this resistance here. That's because of simply speaking, the daily time frame has this range down here, right? So the likelihood of us reaching first 73.62 is bigger because we're closer to it. That's your might as well theory, right? Great man said, proud of you, bro. Keep that shit up, man. And the mortgage. Don't pay for the fucking mortgage either, buddy. Unless you're absolutely sure. So let's go ahead and draw that bottom side support. Dude, that shit was really funny, man. It reminds me of Alex, that crypto guy. The Cardano holders and their wives' boyfriends and their all that shit. You guys know who I'm talking about, right? Jay Allen, don't fucking tell me that, bro. You just sponsored another person. What the hell am I gonna do here, man? There's gonna be fucking 500 people up in here, bro. Thank you, my brother. That now makes 13 people that are gonna win their shot to for a free month, right? In the Arca Bulls trading team. Thank you, brother, very much. Thank you so much. Arca, if I didn't invest at all, my savings, you would donate? Oh, Jason, no, bro. It's okay, buddy. I got you. We're here, man. We're together. And I'm going to provide the information regardless of your donation or not, okay? I'm going to make sure that the team is okay. All right. So, guys, downside first, okay? Right? We're going to put the receipts down here, okay? Just like always, receipts first, right? So your downside is going to be your peekaboo. This is going to be, I'm not joking, by the way, guys. When I say peekaboo, I'm not fucking around. I really mean a peekaboo. Guys, no way that shit is at 97 likes. Give me those 3 likes right now so we can break 100 immediately. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I really appreciate that in all seriousness, man. I don't know where I'd be without you guys and without family and friends. But thank you so much for being here for the team. And thank you so much for being here for each other. Let's continue this relationship. Let's continue building our portfolios and getting better and better at the trade. So guys, receipts first, right? Here you go. I'm looking at a downside first on XRT down 73.62 to 73.60 potential, right? When I say peekaboo, is that you'll get a little bit of a bear trap here. And this is potentially going to be your wick to the downside. No, guys, that the wick, yeah, it could come down to 73.56. I get it. right? But this is what I'm seeing so far. Get this downside here, then price action would go to the upside. Let's go back to the 15-minute, right? Or 10-minute, whatever that is. Here we go. Let me get rid of this receipt here because that receipt is wrong. Let's put the trajectory for XRT downside first into this range, right? This is going to be your bear trap upside to realize resistances or validate a continuation. There may be consolidation here first before a break to the upside. There may be a downside to test the bottom sides of these candles here, but I'm generally speaking, right? The overall move is first the support bottom at these targets. I'm going to have to actually make them a little bit shorter, right? They're way over there. That's because we're using two major different time frames, right? So it's all good, team. Let's put the receipts back here for you so that it is easier for you to read, right? I'm going to make sure to make artwork out of this motherfucker so that you guys are chilling, right? Get rid of these weird tags. Let's zoom in a little bit more so you can get your screenshots here, right? And we'll be good to go. Just like guys, every single stream I do, I will always provide the receipts, and I will always ask you to take, one of those screenshots so that you are aware over how the play may work, right? So this is this would be your, I don't know if you guys are gonna trade this or if you're just using it for information, but yeah, potential bottom side entry down here and top side. This could be your exit. But if we are opening somewhere around the areas of 73.69, know for a fact that your daily ATR top could reach 74.57, and that means that we quite literally could be making a new buy daily high. So in fact, the resistance for that would be up here. So I'm going to give you one more zone just in case price actions, fucking implodes over here and just goes and goes. And I will say that there is a probability for this. Why? Guys, keep this shit in mind. Tomorrow, we have JPP speaking, right? Chair Powell of the Fed is speaking tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern time, market time, all right? We do not know what he's going to say. We don't guess or fight the Fed ever, okay? We don't know what he's going to say. But we also know that XRT is the S&P 500 retail, right? So this could be influenced by the broader market. So if this guy decides to rate hike on us, sure, we could fall. If he decides to maintain things where they are, price action likely continues to the upside, broader markets. What's the relationship between the SPY and XRT? Because there is somewhat of a correlation between GME and AMC. So if that's the case, we have to now run a correlation coefficient against XRT and SPY. So let's just see how that is, just in case, right? We want to make sure that we can be as concise as possible and also as precise as we can. Okay, so currently an almost inverted relationship here. Wow. Let's see the weekly time frame. It is a little bit inverted. Let's see the immediate short term. There's no real correlation. That's good news for us. That's good news, because if the market sells off, that doesn't mean XRT sells off, which means that GME does not sell off, and eventually AMC does not either, unless they have their own reason to pull out, right, or to just show weakness. But yeah, guys, remember the play. Let me just go ahead and give it to you here so you can take a screenshot. And let me give you the last few targets right up here. This is if shit really does start getting a little crazy. We'll make this a slightly different color. There you go, guys. These are the probabilities for tomorrow, because it is within range. It is within reason here. So I wouldn't doubt it. I would just say that be ready for it, right? These are your critical ranges here, team. So now that we know, we have an immediate short-term downside followed by a continuation to the upside on XRT, and that was based on volatility versus momentum. So now the upper time frames, what are they looking like? Well, the 12-hour still has an upside. The daily time frame, we studied this yesterday, right? The daily time frame is how we were able to determine that we would turn around here because of behavior. historically speaking, 12 iterations have reversed price action from right where we are at this present moment. This line was a representation of what I was telling you yesterday. We were curving already, right? So let's get rid of that. Look at the drawing. Look at this right in here. What are the odds that you would get that flat line turnaround right at our trend line when we were identifying the potential reversal? Right there. Right? That's because historically, this is a historic low and we tend to turn around here. Guess what? This bottom was also the time where we used to run to $80. So that's the curious thing too. Of course, we're going to respect this bottom side, guys. So either stochastic momentum was going to face that low before we reached that $80 zone, or price was going to do it. Right? So it just so happened that it correlated perfectly with the $80 for GME. Awesome stuff, guys. I love it. So now let's go ahead and take a look at GME. Now that we know that, right? We got our details here. So let's pull in. Yeah, let me get that chart up here for you guys, and then we'll see what's up, right? Okay, here we go. There we go, team. So these are, this is still part of the thesis that we've been trading here in and out, right? Still the same targets. But of course, we're going to notice sometimes when we're a little more explosive than others, right? At least for today's resistance, we nailed that shit in so many different ways, right? Good stuff. So let's go ahead and get rid of these drawings. This is all part of today's whatever, right? Notice how price action went to the downside here. 23.85, top ticked at around 25.14, and look at where it's sitting. Right? Now, the reason why I want you to see that is because of this. Let me show you. I'm just going to draw in a box there so that you are aware over how price action tends to behave. Just like this. This is your total range, right? The total range of candles traded today. Let me make this a not so annoying color for you. Let me make it a lighter green and dim it down. Okay. So this is your wall-to-wall move today to the top side that we were expecting, and then your 50% of the day retrace, and we hovered at the mean and ended at the 50%. So your box is telling you right where that 50% line is. Get rid of price action, and you'll see that the line is there, right? Here's the line, 50%, 24.50. And we closed at 24.49. Price action tends to revert. Price action tends to revert to a mean often, okay? And it is also a range that we've been trading day in and day out. So I've been giving you guys top sides and bottom sides based on typical behavior, right? It just happens that way, guys. It happens that way. It doesn't mean it's going to continue that way. I'm just saying that we can get stuck on what's called a consolidation phase. Alex, that's right. So the consolidation phase here just so happens to have a pretty good range of trade, right? You're looking at around 23.86 bottom today and a 25.14 top. That's amazing stuff for some traders. It's not bad, right? So let's go ahead and determine what price is, what it could do. Okay, so very similarly to the XRT, immediate short-term time frame is showing, hold on, 5-minute time frame, right? Here you go. So yeah, immediate short-term time frame downside. In fact, maybe we could even see it on the 4-minute time frame is still downside. 3-minute time frame downside still, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I'm expecting. Yeah, we don't have the pre-market activity yet because it hasn't happened just yet, right? So let's go back over to the 5-minute and let's identify the floor to be located at the post-market low, 24.40, 10 ticks down. Right? This could be the zone where we could find some potential support. This is immediate short term. Remember, immediate short term. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and identify let's see. Sorry guys. So yeah, let me just say that we can get that immediate short term time frame pullback. It might go a little bit lower too. I'll just give you a range right now just so we can. The problem is that, guys, is that we don't have the pre-market activity, right? But it's all good. 24.34 could be the bottom side. 2440. The bounce would happen from here based on, let's see, 15-minute time frame. It is a short-term downside. 15-minute time frame is quite literally upside pivot, and we may actually start getting expansion here. So that, oh yeah, we're about to open up some upside on this. Hold on. 30-minute time. Yep. Okay, 10-minute time frame is, let me see if it's expanding yet. Oh, it is. Okay, we're getting expansion. Moving average is starting to move towards the upside. Not violently yet, but it is. So that means here that we're going to start continuing to the upside after an immediate drop, right? I mean, very, very short. Do not overstay your welcome as a short at all, right? Do not overstay your welcome as a short. Make sure that this bottom side is what you're looking for. 2434 to 2440, bounce from this area here. 15 to 30 minute time frames suggesting upside continuation. If the 15-minute and 30 are really that strong, then that's going to cascade into the hourly time frame, which would then encourage price to continue to its ATR top. The ATR meaning the average true range that the asset can move any trading day, right? Up or down. So the ATR top on this presently is 2784. That's pretty fucking high. Damn. Let's see why it wouldn't go there first, though. Let's go to the daily. 2784. Fuck. And my algo is telling me that, guys. This right here. Daily ATR top target 2784, 966, 482, 83, all that shit. Okay. So yes, I have a combination of algorithmic things giving me suggestions and shit, and and then I give you the clips. I'll say the bullshit out loud, right? So I just don't want to be. I don't want to bore you with. I don't want to bore you with other things that you may not be interested in, right? So yeah, okay. Let's find a reason why it wouldn't go to that 2784, right? That's what I'm doing here. Oh yeah, I'm hovering over here over my own fucking shill. If you guys want to be part of that mentorship program of the beginners, guys, join me. ArcMastersCourse at Gmail, 7-week program, 2784. Let's put it down. Here it is. There it is. Right there. What's around there and why wouldn't we go there? Let's see. So price action, yeah, sitting at 2449. Okay. Yeah, there's a fair value gap right. Let me point it out to you. Okay, because if you don't know what that is, then you'll never fucking see. You need one solid candle in between a body, right? You need one solid body. You also need 2 wicks from the forward candle and the prior candle to that middle body, right? So the wick low of the one prior to the body, 2737. The wick high, the one after the body, is 2599. And the body itself is running from 2521 to about 2852. That marks off a fair value gap between the 2 wicks, the wick low of the prior one and the wick high of the forward one. That is an area of resistance, and it's very confluent to several other candles. Let's draw our line there now. Okay, here's your top end of this daily candle, right? Top end of this daily candle. It looks very close to this bottom end of this candle here on June 5th. So I'm sorry, guys. I realize that I'm not giving you... Okay, the daily candle, June 28th, it's confluence to that fair value bottom. Also, June 21st is confluence to that. June 20th daily candle. June 18th daily candle. All of that is confluent, right? Then also the June 5th candle. And I'm not going to go through everything here, but there are more. There are several candles, especially here on February 24th. It's literally there. And that marks off a very, very pivotal point. Okay, so yeah, I do think that price action gets prevented from reaching 2784. And I think your resistance level could be 2596 with with buy side pressure or buy side interest. Okay, so again, I'm gonna give you a range because I can't ever just focus on one solid freaking target. It's like this is not about marksmanship. You know what I mean? This is about consistency and discipline. We're not trying to, although you got, yes, you can argue Arca. You hit those targets like fucking very often. I get it, but I'm off and off a penny. And I'm going to say that also that's not normal. Okay, so don't focus on one target alone. Okay, so let's see. Immediate short-term time frame downside. Remember, this is your GME price action, right? I'm going to color these just a little bit different so that you can relate to it, right? And identify it as the sell for the day. There is a probability here that price action can reach all the way up to that 25.98. And I will say that there is an immediate short-term time frame to the downside first, right? Before we can get an upside. And the next resistance that you would face, team, is actually right at the 50% retrace of this daily candle, right? The daily candle closed, right? So this has a 50% retrace, probably around 24.60. We have to jot that down too. Okay, so let's draw in that range of the daily, just like this, right? Let's go ahead and pull it all the way down, just like that. And we were talking about a 24.60 is actually 24.50. Now let's look left. What's near there, right? And whatever is near there, is it confluent to other candles too? Well, I can already see two reasons why it is. So 24, yeah, it's right here at 24.50, right? Okay. This 24.60 is also very, very, very much confluent to the opening of this candle 24.58. So you see the approximations that I'm using, right? We're using confluence to the best of our ability, right? It doesn't have to be directly on the target. It just has to rhyme. It simply just has to rhyme, right? So let's mark it down. 50% retrace, 24.50 to 24.60 is what we're looking at. And I will leave it at 24.58. Okay? Those are your immediate short-term resistances that you can face during the upside phase. Okay? Let's see. I will tell you that these bottom side targets, I mean, they're there. Just let's dim them down though, because I don't think I don't think that we reach that tomorrow, guys. I really don't. And just like I said yesterday, you guys were asking me like, what, are you bullish or are you bearish? Well, I favored the bulls. And know that I don't care what direction price goes. I'm just going to be honest to you. I'm currently not risk on GME or AMC. I'm here for the community and I'm here to give you guys what I see. And I lost a great deal of money and fuck Adam Aaron, right? But whatever. So, but I will lead retail and I will help you guys. And that's my promise, right? So yeah, 50% retrace would be, okay, here's the I'm going to get rid of this and this. And let's give you the price, the implied price direction. I'm going to use the 10-minute time frame. Okay. Okay, good deal. So, immediate short-term downside first, remember, right? We're looking at reaccumulation, or I'm sorry, distributing into this immediate short-term time frame area, right? This would be a short-term resistance right around that 24.58. That validates your 24.50 before continuing on to your next resistance level at 24.80. Okay? In other words, what I'm building here is an inverse head and shoulders 10-minute time frame, right? With a top side target of 24.81. The way that I'm doing that is through a neckline. So if we draw the neckline for that inverse head and shoulders, this is your shoulder, this is your head, this is your shoulder, right? If we draw a neckline across like this, right? And then we start to measure all the way to the bottom side of the head. Then when we apply this trend line here to the top end of the shoulder, this should give us around 24.80. So that's going to be a psychological reason for us to get long. So here's your top side target, and it's suggesting 24.75. Right? So not bad. Not bad. We were very close. And we don't know how this is going to build even still. Right? Because what if the trend line is slightly different? What if it's actually from down here And then we get this top side to be confluent like that, right? Let me make it a little bit, let me just zoom in a little. So if we look at a trend line like this, then we have an adjusted take profit target. That makes it a little bit larger, right? And now if that's the case, then we apply this to the top end of your right hand shoulder and fucking voila, 24.79. So this is potentially what's being built tomorrow. Guys, I've studied price for a long fucking time. Okay, it doesn't mean that I'm right. The reason why I'm saying that is because I have to tell you that it doesn't mean that I'm right. It just means that I see a potential something happening and it's leading towards the bull's favor. Okay? So the bull's favor here is that. I do think that we have an immediate short-term potential continuation to the upside, which is then going to cascade into the probabilities for upside continuation into AMC. Okay, so one more time, we're just going to go ahead and give you that whole direction here with the receipts now, right? Just like always. You know what? Actually, let's keep this back here. And then we'll move this range back here. And then we're going to put the little receipts on there and you'll be able to have your price. Don't, ignore this bottom side range here. It's just there because we need it there. Right? Of course we can reach it, but I don't think that that's the probability for tomorrow. So these are I'm starting to put the receipts down, right? And of course this one here, 24.80, I think it was. Okay. And this is your implied direction, right? So yeah, heads up team, this is your screenshot time, right? Go ahead and take your receipts. Kill them. Oh, Gal, thank you. And okay, so now let's go on to AMC and let's see what's up. Guys, thank you so much for coming on by. We definitely broke that 100 like resistance, right? Really appreciate you. Please make sure to stick around because fucking 13 of you will get a chance to win a free month into the Arca Bulls trading team based on all of our awesome sponsors for today, man. Guys, thank you so much. And I need money saying thank you for your honesty. I think you're right, my friend. I hope so, brother. I hope so. Every day I put these targets up. I'm like, man, I hope I was right for retail, and the next day we see that price action is following our implied projections. And then depending on how big that move was, I'll then put up a huge shout out like, hey guys, we got it, like we nailed the upside here and then, to the moon. Right. But yeah, so this is now GME. You're all good to go on this one, guys. Let's look at AMC. Okay. So AMC's price, let me take a look at it against GME. I'm going to add it here on a new scale. I just want to know how it's reacting against GME, right? Because GME sometimes underperforms. I got to be honest. Sometimes it'll underperform and then other times it'll be bigger and better. Right? So this is GME on the light blue line, right? So I'll put it as candles. And I'll also remove the auto feature and put it on logarithmic. Okay, this is the neon green is AMC, right? And the lighter green is GME. So let's look at how price has been behaving thus far. Okay, I'm going to zoom out even more. Okay, so yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. AMC definitely has a little bit of a further upside on this, but it's cool. But overall, yeah, they look pretty much. It looks like they're running in tandem. Okay, so let's get rid of. Let me get rid of the. Thanks, Jordan. Thank you, buddy. Jordan saying join the Arca team, y'all. If and when you can, well worth it. Great community and lots of knowledge. Brother, thank you so much, man. Robo, looking good? All right. Awesome. So let's get rid of GME now. And now focus on the price action here on AMC. Similarly to how we did yesterday, right? I think we ended up just putting a whole brand new chart, and we just tested the potentials for top side and bottom side. Okay. Let's man, that's awesome. Okay, so let's do that again. Let's see if we can't put this together as a brand new chart. Let's look for the psychological signals, anything that we can for an edge, right? Well, this definitely has a form of an inverse head and shoulders on the 12-hour time frame. That is a bullish formation, right? This is the herpy-derpy, right? You have that bottom end here. This is your shoulder. This is your right-hand shoulder here. This is your head, right? Now let's draw the regression on this, because I'm seeing. Let me see if I can. Okay, I see it. There it is. I wanted to make this contact point with this one and this one here. So likely the neckline, right? So now we put together the price objective on this, and that is taking us AMC to 665, which is confluent to this range here. And I think even yesterday we may have talked about that. Let's see. 508 on AMC. Let's see. It's a daily gap. Or what's the yeah, I see it. This one here. We're at the dude, we actually just fucking closed it again. So yeah, if you're talking about pulling back, it is right, the daily time frame pullback. This is your daily retrace. So immediate short-term time frame downside, just like we did on GME, it's identifying the same way. 539 bottom side. Let's get the range though. Let's make sure that we know what that range is. So 539 bottom, and here's your wick low. Very confluent to several other candles. So 531 to 539, 531.39. Okay. Just like this. This is your pullback zone based on a daily time frame close, 50% prior bar pullback, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at your immediate short term and see if we have any suggestions of that, because I got to tell you guys, it may be very limited for a downside here. Very, very limited. Because I am catching signals firing off for AMC, guys, and they're pretty fucking large, okay? Consolidation, slight downside. Oh my goodness. This might be a pre-market low. You may not even see it. Okay, guys, you may not even see this low, but if we do, I suspect that just by natural behavior, we pull back into the right down here, 531 to 539. If we start looking at volatility versus momentum, I got to show you something. This is crazy. Okay. Let me get rid of all the drawings. We're focusing volatility and stochastic momentum. Okay. This is your 3-hour pivot with an upside and expansion. Remember what I said about expansion, right? We are talking about accelerating towards the upside. And we definitely have expansion happening, right? Expansion and upside bias. That means acceleration and acceleration towards the direction of the upside. What's the 4-hour saying? The 4-hour just signaled a very powerful signal. Now I can determine that AMC has upside for almost an entire day tomorrow. So look at this. We just broke out a critical contraction, 15%, with an upside bias of the stochastic momentum. We have the moving average and volatility expanding. People are buying as fuck right now for some reason. I don't know why. Whatever that means is all good. But remember, tomorrow we have Jay Powell speaking. There's a lot of things that could prevent price action, but since we noticed that, actually, how's the correlation between, damn it, man. I'm going to run a correlation coefficient against GME and the SPY after this. Let's go to the 6-hour time frame. 6-hour time frame. Look at that, guys. We went into critical contraction. Now we're expanding upside, and we're facing towards the upside on the 6-hour. The 8-hour time frame is starting to expand with an upside pivot. And same thing on the 12-hour. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Wait. Oh, damn. Okay, shit, guys. AMC is potentially gonna pop. What? How the fuck is that doing that? Why would it do that? Guys, I think AMC is fucking gonna go. I think it's gonna go. Fucking go. Yeah, maybe if I'm just guessing this correctly, potential fucking 7+, 756 over the next maybe 3 days, 4 trading days around there. Guys, I'm getting signals here that fucking this thing is about to blow. And if we're noticing that we're gonna get immediate short-term time frame upside, like here, the 3-hour. Well, it's honestly starting at the contraction critical fucking phase, though. Look at that. All that contraction on a bi-hourly leading into the 3-hour contraction, and both of those are breaking out with upside bias. Your 4-hour time frame, this is just so fucking healthy. So if this expansion is really happening, all of these time frames are they're all gonna domino into the 6-hour, into the 8-hour, the 12-hour, and eventually into the daily, which then the daily is going to feed. It's already getting it. Look at this. It's already getting the upside on the daily, and the buy daily is sitting patiently waiting for tomorrow's market close in 15 hours and 11 minutes. This shit is about to fire off a big-ass signal towards the upside. Holy shit, AMC is going to pop off. And there's a buy daily inverse head and fucking shoulders. Holy shit. Hold up. Hold the fuck on. I don't know why it's going to do that fundamentally. Guys, if you have any reasons as to why this could do it fundamentally, share with me right now. Right? But based on stats here, this fucker's going to rip. And there's a psychological target of $14 fucking on this. I'm not going to say that it's going to go there, but I will say that this very likely starts 650 to 720s into the next couple days, maybe 3-4 days. There's some shit happening on AMC right now, and I have no idea fucking why. Let me see the chat. 465 here. Let's see, what indicator was that? Dash, this is actually one of my... This is I call it the volatility heat map, but you can find it if you search for the Caretaker's BBWP. It's very similar. I didn't like all the properties of the Caretaker's linear volatility read. It's a Bollinger Bands with percentile, so it's measuring volatility in linear, right? So the reason why in linear instead of the Bollinger Bands clouds is because the clouds don't have structure. They infinitely expand and they contract all the way to zero. Like, you can't tell. So I made a threshold of volatility within a 100% range. So 0 to 100 with criticals landing at 2% at 2% contraction for critical reads, which are these closing period blue bars, and a 98 percentile or above critical read for red closes within whatever time frame you're in. And the moving average is just a simple, it's a 7-period simple moving average. And it's determining volatility, the disbursement of returns. It's not directional. It just tells you volatility, expansion, or contraction. And I coded this fucker. So I coded this bitch, and now it's here, right? So, and it's going to be available to the trading team literally in the next few days here. So I'm going to make it open source for them. Dash, I hope I answered that question for you, buddy. Now, let me take... Guys, I know that you're coming in hot there with questions. I'm sorry. Let me look. Let me look. Let's see what you guys are saying. It's happening this week. cost was always the precursor. Okay. So debt. Oh, I don't know, ECAT. I have no idea. I think, yeah, they're still in debt. I know that they, what was it, last year they ended up getting like 600 plus million in cash. I don't know how they're doing with that. Fundamentals are not no longer my forte. Let's see. Candace saying, I see somebody put a new price target of $8 earlier. That's interesting because I'm already kind of getting a read into that probability. In fact, it's really reading a fucking $14, but that's, I can't guarantee that, of course. Nothing's guaranteed in the markets. Jason is saying AMC in talks to postpone $2.8 billion in short term into 2030. What? I didn't know that. Okay. As of 2.5 weeks ago, they're in talks. Okay. So Sherlock is saying earnings are in August 6th. Think also, so if there's a debt restructure coming in for AMC, sure, fuck, man, that actually may launch it. So Daniel is saying a lot of good news about box office. That's another thing I can't find the true correlation between box office and AMC unless it's something like Wolverine and fucking Deadpool, some big shit like that. South Korea shorts. A lot of good. Okay, gotcha. GME is just crazy. Look at the daily. Yeah, Richie, I hear you. Debt restructuring news. Yeah, so it looks like people are talking about the debt restructuring. That could be it. Now, Dash is saying thank you. No problem, brother. Got you. Only news I found so far. Caseback is saying to do with Despicable Me. Okay. So the sales. Okay, I got it. So now Alex is saying, yeah, GME's Bollinger Bands on the daily actually cracked. Yeah, expansion is coming in for sure. Despicable Me and Despicable Me had huge sales. And that was actually, it did come as a surprise. I didn't think that was going to sell that big, to be honest. So now Jason's saying also AMC this past week is averaging $30 million a day, which is double the daily average of 2018, 2019. The years that the highest gross revenue across 4 quarters. That's interesting to know. So 5.5 billion both years, says Jason. Okay, PV Quickshot is saying 4.2 million people attended AMC July 3rd, the week, right? So second largest sale in company's history for food and beverage. Wow. Cracker's baseline on TradingView will show something similar then. I don't, maybe Dash, maybe. You know what? For example, here, if you look at just your standard Bollinger Bands, like against this, we should be contracted. They should be tight. So let's look at that real quick, right? Just like this, your standard Bollinger Bands, right? So let's pull that up, and we should be tightening up. Yeah, look, that's here. You see all that width, and now we're tightening up. This is your contraction. See, we were massively expanded up here. That's all that space right in here. Then we contracted all the way to critical lows, and it contracted all the way to lows. Yeah. So, don't doubt your Bollinger Bands, right? They're definitely showing that there could be an explosive move. We're already peaking above that. This is a 2 standard deviation. I think it's 2 standard deviations. Yeah. 2 standard deviations on a normal one, right? It's already piercing through that 2 standard dev, which is pretty big. Now, let me come back into the chat, right? Some people here bullish saying, I'm sorry, Luigi, did you say something? Debt restructure, big box office. Yeah, that's what I'm, Caretaker's baseline. I've never tried that one, Dash. Now, Bullish is saying there's always the potential for release debt restructure news. Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. Dude, could that really be? That's what everyone is talking about. $20 calls for the 20th, says Alpha Trade inside of the team. $7 calls, Nina? We're going to have to take a look at the chain. Why don't we do that? Let's look. All we have to do is just see where the open interest is kind of sitting in. Let me pull AMC. We're on the matrix. Let me get the open interest heat map on. And let's look. July 19th, $22 strikes, 48,600. Look at that. 80,900. January 17th, 2025 expiries. So guys, this is your call. This is your put, right? Calls on this side, put on this side. Expiry is up here, and your strike prices are right on the left, right down here. Right, so 80,000, so pretty much 81,000 open interest, 27 strike, January 17th, 2025, and there's an even bigger one, almost 90,000 on this one, right? 89,600 at the 20 strikes, January 16th, 2026. What the hell is it doing all the way over there? So there's overall bullish sentiment, though. Let's look at for the shorter term. Yeah, okay, let's look at the term, actually. Look at this. Check this out. There is not one single red bar above. Open interest on the call side is exploding everywhere. All dates around. There is not one single date where the orange, which is representing red or puts, is larger than the prior, than the blue or green. Holy freaking hell. The put to call ratio on July 19th calls is 189,000 to 46,000. Look at the ratio here for the January 17th, 2025. 317,462 versus 64,470. Oh my God. What? Guys, I think AMC is going to fucking explode. I don't know why. I don't know why it's sentiment. Let me see the percentage change. There's a huge percentage change for the August 23rd, 2024's. There's a 300% change. What? Let's go to those. The open interest changes, that's the most significant one. So August 23rd, let's go to the matrix. And open interest, August 23rd. Here it is. Which one? Oh, the heat map. What the hell is there? I guess it could be 650s. There's really nothing. There's no open interest there. But it's showing significant change in the August 23rd calls. I guess somebody knows something. And of course, we're going to get this thing to kind of shift into tomorrow. So we don't know just yet. Bullish, don't do that. Oh my goodness. So JP saying Arca, so you don't think this has a chance of breaking down to the downside? Of course, anything is possible in the markets, my brother. Anything is possible. But looking at the data and let me pull this one here. Yeah, this chart. Looking at the present data and then also observing the volatility versus momentum profiles, I don't think so, bro. These profiles are reading huge. In 15 hours, dude, this is gonna close an outside green bar, and it's outside of 2 days, 3, 4, fucking 6 days of price action is above all that. So this volatility may actually spike up, and that usually leads to a behavioral upside. It would be a footprint. That's I'm gonna have to backtest AMC's buy daily and see what the average upside is. I want to know. I want to get rid of these fucking Bollinger Bands. I am not a fan. I'm beyond this. Okay, there we go. Yeah. I just have to backtest, bro. But I will tell you this. I will say this. Usually, dude, I actually fucking quite literally, I need money. I never ever have used that term before, really. But there actually may be fucking tendies here. I feel silly saying that, but I fucking actually think so. Now, guys, when you get a formation after a critical downside, and it's in this shape here, right? You get that downside like this, right? Then you start getting this bottom end, then another bottom end. This potential, whatever, you can call it a W, whatever you want to call it. But this formation usually leads to a 100% retracement, typically speaking. So that's some more stats on you, some more stats on you for that, right? But yeah, that formation usually leads to a 100% retracement of price action to its local high, which is 1193, but 1340 or 1325 in the after hours. So that plus the take profit target of the inverse head and shoulders, 1412, fucking 1329 over there. It's confluent. It's rhyming. I don't know what to say. Joe H, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Oh, goodness gracious. I am not a fan of AMC, guys. I fucking hate this ticker. I hate it. And here's one more thing that I've talked about before, and I'm going to give it to you guys, but I need you to take this one for real, guys. Take this as one of the biggest grains of salt you've ever had, right? Laying on your back and sweating all over you and shit. All right, so yeah, I'm going to give you one more. For those of you who haven't actually seen this, right? Because we still have a fucking massively full house in here. Let's pull up AMC on the 3-day time frame, and this will be another fucking huge surprise to you. Actually, 3-day, right? I said, yeah. So the 3-day time frame is also its own fucking macro inverse head and shoulders. So this is also suggesting a massive fucking rip, and that one's way bigger than the one that I just spoke of. So if this is a big if, guys, this is I have to say it's a fucking gigantic if, right? So the implied or the price objective for this fucking formation is just deadly high. So it's just fucking way up there. So applying it here, the top end of the right hand shoulder, yeah, you're getting, oh shit, it's confluent. What do you know? 13 fucking 60. Holy shit. Everything is leading towards a 11 to 13 or $14. That's what shit is leading to. But again, I'm gonna run the volatility versus momentum backtest on the bi-daily time frame, because that's where I believe things are about to fire off, and that's using this. Let's see where. Yeah, here. Get rid of the drawings, right? This bi-daily. This, we are all the way to the freaking. Within the 2%, right? It's in there. So if this thing starts exploding, that's a massive signal. We're just entering the bullish control zone on the bi-daily of stochastics. Yeah, guys, there's something up here. There's something up. And don't get impatient with this, right? Definitely don't risk on before you hear the Fed speak. Right. That's what I was going to do. Run the correlation coefficient. It's on the fucking list. Correlation coefficient against the SPY AMC, because we haven't done that. So let's run that real quick and see what the relationship is. Okay. Let's see the daily time frame. It's increasing in correlation, but still not high enough. Let's see the weekly. Fuck. Okay. The weekly time frame is highly correlated to the SPY. It's at the 77%. Okay. Let's see the bi-weekly. Fucking almost inverse. The bi-weekly, fucking monthly, almost inverse. Let's see the immediate short term 4-hour time frame increasing. Hourly time frame all the way correlated. Guys, the hourly time frame is 100% correlated, or fucking 90%. I wouldn't take that lightly. That means that tomorrow, when freaking JPP homeboy starts swinging his freaking weird little schnoz everywhere, if he's gonna say things that is gonna impact the market in weird ways. So if he says, yes, through quantitative easing, and we're going to be expecting a little bit more of a hawkish outlook. Bam! The fucking market goes all the way down. And then this guy goes, but it's looking like the economy is repairing itself. Bam! All the way the fuck back up. Guys, don't be subject to that shit. Okay, this guy's gonna wiggle the market around the way he wiggles that shit when he goes takes a piss. You don't want that. Hell no. Be risk off when he talks, okay? The easier trade is usually the day after, right? The day after is usually the easier trade. $19, there's a gap? Fuck. I can't even speak. Bro, I'm not even gonna say that number out loud. I mean, dude, because this thing has highs all the way to like, what, $500 or whatever the shit is. Let's see. Yeah, you know, the RS on this was just, dude, this was $69 or $72, whatever that was before. You know, now it's $394, but that's ridiculous. That's I can't really speak too much on that, but yes, there is the gap actually starts at around 1635 and ends around 1973. So usually when you go up towards gaps, your resistance is the bottom of the gap first. If you're headed upwards, right? It's this gap over here, guys. I know it's tiny for those of you on phones, right? We're down here at 547. If you look back over here, that's where that thing is on a daily time frame. So usually you would experience a massive, massive resistance at the bottom of the gap first. So that would be 1650, potentially all the way down to 1382 into this gap here, which would be around 1254, you know, as a distribution to reaccumulate enough strength to pierce through this. But I can't speak on that yet, buddy. It's not part of my, it's not in my visceral perspective. I can't see that. Not yet. But I will say that fucking this kind of upside can certainly bring probabilities way up for that target. Okay, but for now, let's fucking focus on, I think for now, let's focus on the obvious things. And then also, count on me, guys. I want to run the back test on that by daily time frame. We're going to know the data on this. I'll put together the spread. We'll know the average upside move. We'll know the upside accuracy based on the signal firing on a buy daily. So remember, what we're looking for is this, okay? You see these little light bulbs? The histogram? We need the histogram to pierce through the 15% neon green line with an upside pivot. Also, the moving average. It needs to pierce above. All right, guys? That's the condition here. It needs to go above. And if we don't meet that condition, then we don't have the fired signal yet. It doesn't mean that it's not going to fire. It just means that we may need to wait 2 more days. Okay, but that's it. It's just this one is this buy daily is over in 14 hours, 51 minutes, aka tomorrow market close. And this buy daily candle has been fucking growing and growing, right? It's huge. But we already knew this upside was coming because we tested the weekly bullish engulfing. We tested it throughout its entire trading history, and it had a fucking like a 75% probability of upside for a 22.48% move, which shit we didn't even look at. Yeah, there we go. 38 iterations total of this weekly bullish engulfing here. That this, historically speaking, guys, I tested the whole fucking history of AMC in the weekly time frame for you, right? 100% of them have led to an upside, and the average move is 22.48, and that move of 22.48 is leading towards a target of 610 to 653. The upper bound of the first standard deviation is leading a target to 43.69% upside, which is the target of $7.17. And that is, hold on. Holy shit. Look at the inverse head and shoulders at 665. Guys, it's all rhyming. All of it is fucking rhyming. Damn it. I need to put together a whole ass video on this. Oh God. There's so many notes to take here. Holy shit. I can't believe I just read all this. Damn. This W formation usually leads to a 100% retrace. Fucking the 4-hour time frame inverted head and shoulders leading to 668. What else did we have? We have a bunch of shit. There's a bunch of stuff suggesting that we would go up. And all of it is confluent. The bi-daily close, the volatility versus momentum signature on that bi-daily is ridiculous. And we're getting fired off on the 4 fucking hour, this is the minimum read that I need. Oh, dude. I didn't expect to go this long. I did not expect to go this long, but I will say that I'm actually, for a freaking fact, intrigued over what AMC has to come or has coming in the relatively short-term time frame, maybe medium term. This could start moving, guys. Remember that at the close of any major bar, any bar really, right? 14 hours, 48 minutes, 17 seconds and counting, this bi-daily will close, which is why it's pulling back. I say this to my students all the time. I say this to guys, I just generally say this. As you approach the closing of that bar, you will likely start seeing a pullback into the close. Now, depending on how far it goes down, the next candle, if say, for example, it just closes here at 546, the next candle will certainly get the 50% retrace down to the areas of about 533 to about 525. That's where entry could be for us, okay? I am dead ass giving you information right now that I only give my trading team. Because everybody's thinking right now, shit, Arca's super bullish on this. We're going long right now. No, we're waiting for the statistical breakdown first because it happens 68 to 72% of the time. There is absolutely a statistical reason for us to pull back. So guys, I'm going to keep this legal, right? I am talking about trading paper trading, simulator purposes and training purposes only, right? And for entertainment because I'm funny as fuck. All right. So that's why I'm telling you that. Okay. So, so wait for the 50% pullback of the bi-daily time frame. Risk on is not tomorrow. I think risk on would be maybe Wednesday, more than likely Wednesday, but certainly Wednesday or Thursday, but more than likely Wednesday. God damn it, brother, I'm not. That motherfucker said I'm not funny at all. Kick you in the ass. Okay, guys. So that's what I have here for you, team. We're gonna announce some fucking winners right now. Assalamu alaikum. Tell them, look, they're laughing after you, buddy. SOUN is another one. Gal is telling me to tell you. Gal is telling me to tell you guys. She said, give them SOUN. Okay, all right, fine, I will. So SOUN is another one, guys. This is a big upside potential. The reason why I'm saying this is because if we go, let me just pull up the chart on that. Because of this, right? Remember that we just talked about the volatility signal on AMC? Well, look at this 3-day. Fired off, and this, what is it doing? Motherfucker is probably gonna go. Guys, I think SOUN is damn. Next maybe week and a half above $6 maybe around there, and then potentially leading into $7-8. I don't know, who knows? But this shit could SOUN for some crazy ass reason over here is incredibly strong. So there you go, guys. 3 massive plays. AMC, Carvana, and SOUN. So guys, now, yeah, I did, Mark. We ended up, you were in the trading team, right? When we were trading MAXN? That was fucking, we nailed that shit, bro. Fucking Ian, he killed it. Let's see, you get a ticker and you get a ticker, says Steve. Hell yeah, buddy. Dude, Richie just said, no, you ain't funny, but serious. I love it. Guys, we're going to go ahead and now start selecting. Holy crap. I don't even think we could actually do, can we actually do that? Can we actually call out 13 winners today? Guys, is it possible for us to do that? Can we call 13 winners today to join the Arca Bulls trading team? Is that even a possibility for us? I can't, I don't know. Fucking 13, that's a lucky number, right? So that's honestly why I'm saying, like, is it bad luck if we break that? So, you know, we're going to be messed up here. Right? So, I mean, screw it, right? Steve is saying yes. All right, guys, are we going to do that? Give me a yes or a no in the chat. Should we announce 13 or should we split them in two? Or should we just do the 13 freaking things, right? What are we doing? All right. All right, we're getting positive sentiment on that. Okay. All right. But remember, they're going to be randomly selected. Right? It's going to be randomly selected. And I want you guys, I just want you guys to, you know that we're doing this all the time. And everybody's always selecting somebody to join. Right? Daniel Gonzalez, you're still awake with me. Okay, Lorenzo is saying, yeah, 13. All right, man. All right. Fuck it. Let's do it. Fact Finder, there you are. Easy Slice saying, bring them all home, bro. All right, fine. We're going to announce them, guys. We're going to start choosing. And what I need you to do, my bro, I see him in the chat. I still see him in here. We're going to give another shout out to my bro today. I need you to throw those fucking double X's in the fucking chat right now for my bro double X. So make sure to fucking throw those double X's into the chat right now for the chance to win a free month. 13 of you will be luckily selected, man. Let's go. Rip that shit. Rip it, boy. Oh, damn. Let's go, guys. We're choosing. Let's go. All right, guys. All right. We got mad names up in here already. Damn, dude. Oh, guys, let's go. Oh, my God, bro. You guys are fucking really chatting that shit up, aren't you? Oh, my goodness, guys. All right. Let's see how many we got so far. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we got 5 more to go. All right. We got 4 more. 4 more. Let's go. Keep them coming, guys. Keep them coming for your chance to win, right? Oh, man. I love it, guys. I love it so much. Let's do it. Mark Roach. Bro, that's ridiculous, man. Let's go, man. Okay, how many do we have, man? Let's see. How many we got left? We got one more person to go. One more person is gonna win here. Oh my God, let's go. Who is it gonna be? All right, guys. We got all 13 people selected, guys. Oh, man. We got them. Okay, so let's go ahead and announce the winners now, guys. Here we go. The first winner is going to be Dash. My bro. Let's go, Dash. I'm going to take, guys, make sure to remember this, okay? 13 winners are going to be announced right now. When you arrive, I need you to make sure to mention me in the lounge, okay? And give me your name on YouTube, because or else I'm not going to know who the hell you are. All right. So, second winner is I Needs Money. Third winner, Stephen Page. What is up? Hit those links. I'm putting them down there, man. I'm putting them there. All right. Alex the Great, you won, bro. Let's go. All right, next winner is going to be Lorenzo. Lorenzo Chavez, where you at? I love it, man. I love it. Let's see. I got Lorenzo, right? Next winner is going to be Kat. Make sure to hit that link. Make sure to hit that link. So we have Kat and E-Cat. Okay, so we have both cats winning. Make sure to hit that link and mention your name inside of the YouTube, right? Come on by. Congratulations to those of you who are winning right now. Let's go. All right. Robo is our next winner. Let's go. Robo, where you at, man? Hit that link, bro. Hit the link. All right. Kareem Decker, where you at, man? Oh, my goodness, man. We all winning medals. Yeah, we are. I love it, man. I love it. Oh, my goodness, bro. That is a name right there, man. Edgar L. Chavez Rodriguez, you have won. Oh, my goodness, dude. That is a long-ass name, baby. Robo, hit that link. Come on by. Come on by. All right, next winner is going to be PV Quickshot. Where you at? Let's go. Damn, bro. Oh, E-Cat, I see you. All right, now our next winner, guys. We have two more. That's going to be Palomino Academy. E-Cat, I got you. Palomino Academy. Hit that link. Let's see. Now, who was that? I think this is the guy. I think this is the guy that said that I wasn't funny at all. You fucking won a spot, bro. I can't pronounce your name, bro. But it's As-Salam Alaikum, okay? It looks like my bro won a fucking spot. Don't fucking make fun of me when you come by. Kick you in the butt. My bro, hit that link. Well, I think I don't. What was is that how you pronounce your name, bro? Is As-Salam? Steve, my bro, never late, never, ever. All right, Hobbs, I see you in there, baby. No, he didn't. Did he really? What? Was my dude talking mad shit? Guys, did he actually get booted? Where you at? Wait, call him out. Call him out. Is he here? Did he actually? Shit. Oh, he did. Ian. Oh, bro. Come on, man. No way that guy did that. He was about to win. Look, there he is. He's telling me that I'm a fucking scam. Bro, you just won a position. You don't want to. Hey, we're going to ask him right now. Are you about to give it to someone else? As-Salam, buddy. You want to give it to someone else? You still think I'm a scam? Shit. You won a position. You let me know, bro. Somebody else about to tell you, bro. I will take it gladly. Pay me for wasting my time? Yeah, you're right. You're right, buddy. Guys, let's all make sure that As-Salam is absolutely comfortable here make sure to throw an A in the chat right now for As a Lamb. Let's go ahead and make sure that guy's fucking feeling good. Throw those A's in the chat right away. I want you all to throw them. Right, let's get him in there. Let's get him in there. Let's get him in there. Let's make him feel real comfortable. Give him a fucking round of fucking applause, right? Let's fucking go, bro. Let's go. Ooh, damn, boy. Look at that, man. The team is making you feel comfortable, brother. I love it, man. I love it. So it looks like we're going to give it to somebody else. It looks like we're just going to give your position to somebody else, bro. Fuck yeah, team. Look at that, man. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. But that's, the team has spoken. The team has spoken, bro. So I don't know. I don't know. You tell me, bro. You tell me. I don't have to say shit to you, baby. I don't have to say shit to you. Hey, man, you won a fucking position and you decided to talk your shit, right, baby? I love you, man. Yeah, that's right. A for scam. That's exactly how you spell it. And you know what? I'm not going to block you either. I'm going to leave you here so you watch this shit grow every day from here on. So congratulations to you, buddy. Let's go ahead and give his position out to somebody fucking else right here. We're going to go ahead and give it to a new winner. And guess what? That new fucking winner is Spiro37. Let's go, bro. And we have one more to announce. Spiro37, you just won a position, bro. Let's go. Make sure to hit that link. Dude, look at GCA, bro. Look what he's saying in there, man. Look what he's saying in there, baby. Damn, dude. I don't know, man. It seems like the kind of positions you take are the ones that are like, you know, when you're at the top of the price action. Let's go to the chart right here, right? Because I really dead ass hope this isn't you, right? Looks like my boy's trading up, up, up. And then right here, he decides to go long. And then fucking bam! Because that, what you just did to me, bro, it's, you know, look at the trend here, man. Look at the fucking trend on every single chat that you're fucking getting. What the fuck is wrong with you? Ah! Oh my God, bro. My goodness, man. Now, the last motherfucking winner. Here we go. It's gonna be fucking Alcanelli. Alcanelli, where you at? Oh my God, man. Oh my God, man. Don't fuck with me. I'll make you the fucking house joke, bro. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Man, I love you guys, bro. 13 winners and one motherfucker declined his win. This song is dedicated to you, motherfucker. Congrats, winners. Congratulations, man. And thank you so much for being a part of the Arca Bulls trading team, where we keep shit real, where we make you the fucking house joke, where we make the fucking bags, right? We're definitely going to be the ones at the fucking top of the food chain, guys. I love y'all. Keep the positive vibes, right? Alkalani, man, there you are. I had a feeling there, man. I had a feeling. Make sure to hit that link that I just suggested, right? Make sure to come on by. Richie Jarvis, where the fuck you at? You also need to hit this link immediately. Thanks for the dono, bro. Thanks for the dono, my brother. Make sure to hit that link. Richie, I'm talking to you. All right, hit that link. Come on by. Dude, U100 just called him a fucking Muppet. Dude, I haven't heard anyone call anyone a Muppet in so long. Bro, where the fuck have I been, man? That shit is so funny. Bro, a Muppet? Bro, I fucking love you, man. Jesus Lord, bro. That was good stuff, man. That was good stuff. Guys, man, listen, man. Listen, I dealt all my fucking life, right? All my fucking life. I've been talking shit to people, right? I would always get Joey just saying that I'm a motherfucking Muppet. That's exactly right, bro. That's exactly what I was going to say, is that now now, guys, it's quite the opposite, right? Trading has definitely eased off the edges on the boy, right? Definitely has eased off the edges on the boy. So now I will just like, I'll make an example out of you, you know? I'm sorry, guys. I'm just talking shit. Right? I'm sorry. I love everybody, even Nasalim. I love him too. All right? It's all good. You know, I love him. Even though he's a Muppet baby, we chilling. All right? But fucking Joe H just said I nearly died laughing. Oh, bro. Holy shit. So yeah, man, I could literally just make the entire team uncomfortable, right? And just talk my shit and be like, fuck you, bro. You get the fuck out of my channel, bro. You. Fuck that, bro. Shit. I'll let the team speak for me, man. Let's go. Stephen Page, goddammit, I love you. What did you just say? Losers in the chat. Arca is the best. He will prevail. I'm happy. Steven, I love you. I love you, man. Here you go. This one's for you. This one's for you. Listen fucking carefully, okay? I'm going to dip the music all the way down. Dead silence, okay? This one's for you. Oh! You thought it was going to be something serious, bro. I fucking love you so much, man. I thought you just said that guy has small pee-pee. Maybe so, man. Maybe so. Guys, it's been fucking absolute. It's been an absolute real one here with y'all tonight, man. I can't express a bigger thanks, right? My gratitude goes towards all of you. I love you so much, and I definitely hope you guys can benefit from the fucking plays that we talked about today, because there is some upside, and there's some upside to look at, guys. So please don't, guys, just don't bet your kids' fucking college tuition, okay? Hold up. I want to show you how to like trade consistently and shit, like if you put down like $400 and then we won like $150 and then you turn that $400 into like $1,000 in a week, and then we turned the $1,000 into $2,000 in 2 weeks, and then we just go from there, like I can literally, guys, I can take you on your own MOAS. Like you're going to be like, bro, Arca was literally the MOAS this whole time. The whole time Arca was the MOAS. Oh, slow, daddy. Right. So that's all that I'm really saying. I fucking love you guys so much. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys here and also think about how awesome you were tonight. To Assalam Aslim, right? And I love you, right? So PV quick shot, guys. If I haven't put you into the team, just hold up just for a little bit. Jay Allen, where the fuck you at? All right, Paul Spear, you just got sponsored. You're gonna join me and Snow Daddy to trade the Arca Bulls training team. All right, make sure to hit that shit. Come on by and see what's up. Guys, what a fucking... This shit was a hoot, man. It was good times today, man. I love it, man. It's good to be, it's good to be nerdy and geeky as fuck and talk about standard deviations and upsides and shit, and then just entirely rip someone's butthole open. Fuck yeah. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna bring you guys into the after party, okay? So come on by. Make sure to mention me into the Arca Lounge, and I'm gonna let you in. I'm gonna let you into the after party, okay, team? I'll be right there. So guys, thank you so much for coming on out. Make sure to subscribe, fucking like the video, all that shit that, finesses and caresses the algorithm and all the bullshit, right? I love you guys so much. And we will talk very fucking soon right here, man. All right? All right? That's fucking right. Let's go. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, fucking ever, never, ever, never, ever, never, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well a very, very good rest of your night or day, and I'll catch you at the fucking Bell Mañana. Adios! Fucking Muppet!